What I found from learning more about my brain is this, that feelings of compassion, love, unity, consciousness, expansion, forgiveness, all those things we equate to spiritual development, they all correlate to activity here in the prefrontal cortex. And when we're stressed and we're in our limiting emotions, we're in anger, resentment, fear, we don't have our dominant activity in the prefrontal cortex. We have it in our fight or flight center, which is in the temporal lobe. So if we're in our stress and limitation responses, then we're inhibiting the very part of the brain that makes spiritual development accessible and pragmatic in the body. And until we learn how to renegotiate the relationship between our temporal lobe and our prefrontal cortex, then those moments of spiritual forgiveness and expansion and compassion are that much harder to attain. And this was my problem with the meditation practices that I had done, was that I was searching for this prefrontal activity without a name for it, but I was searching for it from a temporal fight or flight disposition to life and banging my head against the wall. Why can't I forgive? Why can't I find compassion? And I prayed and I meditated and I was connected to Source and I was all of those right brain things, those experiential things, but my prefrontal cortex wasn't supporting me. And until that happened, my spiritual expansion was very limited. And once my brain came online with all of that, I got to explode my spiritual development. It went deeper, far deeper than I ever thought it would go by learning about science.